Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Success Point. Today we are going to learn chapter number 11, Circle. Okay students, let's recall. Here we have been given a circle with center O. We need to find radii, chords and diameter. Now what is radii students? Radii is plural of radius. So you people might have learned what is radius. Now as you all can see, till O to B is a radius, O to C is another radius, O to A is also a radius, O to F is also a radius. So radii means more than one radius, that is known as radii. So what we will write? We will write OB, O to C, O to A and O to F. There are four radius. You may name OD also, but in diagram it is not shown, that's why I am not writing. You can write it is also a radius. O to D and O to E is also a radius. Now what is chord? The distance between 2 points, C, point E to point C, the distance, the segment joining that 2 points, that segment is known as chords. So here you can write CE is a chord, AD is a chord, AB is a chord and CF is also a chord. Diameter is the largest chord student. Keep in mind, diameter is also a chord. Diameter is the largest chord of the circle. Here we need to find diameters. As you all can see, diameter is that segment which contains center, that is known as diameter. So diameter is AB and diameter is CF. There are two diameters, so we will keep 2 dash in this box. Okay students, this is this. Okay students, let me tell you what is circumference. Now what is circumference? The point which is the perimeter of circle. The point starts from A and coming again to a point A. Perimeter means a closed figure. A closed figure. If suppose I am drawing a square, so I am starting from this point and I am ending on this point itself. So this is a closed figure. Circle is also a closed figure. That's why we are taking out perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but circumference. Circumference is perimeter of circle. So what is the relation between circumference and diameter? So we have to find the value for pi. What is pi? Mathematicians have done a hard work to get the value for pi. It is more than 3 and remains some part constant, that is 3.14. This is the value for pi. Or else you may take it as 22 upon 7. This is not rational number students. Keep in mind, this number is not rational number. Scientists have really worked hard for it. Okay? Okay students, let's start practice set 42. First question says, complete the following table. Now in table, what has been given? Radius is given. We need to find diameter and circumference. So let me tell you the formula for circumference students. Let's see the formula for circumference. Now how to find circumference? Circumference is nothing but is the perimeter of circle. So we have two formulas for it. First formula is 2 pi r and pi d. If we have been given radius, so we put 2 pi r If we have been given diameter, we keep directly the formula as pi d. Both the formulas are correct. If you have been given diameter, you can take out radius as well if you don't remember this formula. And if you have been given radius, you can take out diameter. Diameter is double of radius and radius is half of diameter. So we can easily utilize these both formulas. Okay students? Okay students, let's start with practice set. First question. Now this is the formula which we have seen just now. The question is given, first question number 1. And in that first question, the given part is radius. Radius is given as 7 centimeter students. 7 centimeter. What we need to find? We need to find diameter, question mark, and circumference. Circumference is also called as C. So I am writing C as shortcut. Okay. Then we will get the solution. Now how to do it? Let me tell you. Diameter we know. So we will write we know how to get the diameter. Diameter is nothing but it is double of radius. 2 multiplied by radius. So 2 multiplied by radius is given as 7 centimeter. So we will write 7. Then 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. And it is given in terms of centimeter. So we are writing unit as centimeter. Now as we got diameter, we need to find circumference. Let's see how to find circumference. Circumference is nothing but 2 pi r. 2 multiplied by pi, the value for pi is 22 by 7. As we have just seen now, r is given as 7 centimeter. So this 7 and this 7 is going to be cancelled. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So the remaining is 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 1. So 22 ones are 22. Okay. So 22 twos are 44 is the circumference. We got both the values, circumference as well as diameter. Students, so I am writing it as circumference and diameter. You need to fill the table after completion of these all questions. Okay students, let me continue with second question. What is given in question number 2? This is question number 2. The question number 2 says the diameter is given. So I am writing given diameter. Now what is given diameter? 28 centimeter. So we'll write 28 centimeter. Okay students, 28 centimeter. What to find? We will write to find. What we need to find? Radius, question mark, circumference, question mark. Solution. We will write solution. Now how to get solution? We know. What we know? Radius is half of diameter. So we'll write r is equals to d upon 2. Radius is half of diameter. Diameter is given as 28. 28 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So we are getting radius is equals to 14 centimeter. Okay students, we are getting radius as 14 centimeter. Now after this we just need to find circumference. What is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r. Now actually I am going to do with pi d. As we have done with formula 2 pi r, now this time I am going to use pi d. You can use either way, both the formulas. So I am using pi d. The value for pi is 22 by 7 and d is given as 28. Okay students? So 7 ones are 7 and 7 fours are 28. So we are going to get 22 multiplied by 4 and 22 fours are 88 centimeter. This is C. Okay students, we have completed 2 sums. Now let me solve the third question here only. Third question, I am just taking, first take the screenshot students. Okay students, let's see question number 3. So I am using this question. the format of this question itself, what has been given, circumference is given. Now we are going to use this question itself. Circumference is given, C is given as 616 centimeter. To find radius, question mark, and diameter, question mark. How to get it? How to get these sums? As we know the formula for circumference. Circumference is nothing but 2 pi r. Okay, circumference is given as 616 and the value for pi is 22 upon 7. Radius we don't know, so we are keeping radius as it is. We are taking all the terms from right hand side to left hand side. It will become 616 multiplied by 7. Divide term comes in multiply and multiply terms goes in divide. So we'll cut. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 zeros are 0, 1 is less than 2, that's why we are taking zeros are. 1 is getting carried forward. 2 eights are 16. Okay students, 2 eights are 16. Again I am taking the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 is remaining, 1 0 is 10. So 2 fives are 10. Nothing is remaining, carrying forward, nothing. 8 is there. 2 fours are 8. Okay, 11 and 54. Now again I am taking the table of 11 students. So what we will get? 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. 15 minus 11 is 4. 4 and 4, 44. So 44. 11 fours are 44. So we are going to get, here R is there, 14 multiplied by 7 is equals to R. So 14 sevens are 98. Therefore radius is equals to 98 centimeter. This is our radius, students. Okay, let me complete fourth question. In this question itself, no, we need diameter as well, no? Not fourth question. Let me find the diameter. Now as we have found radius, we know diameter. Diameter is nothing but twice of radius. So 2 multiplied by radius. Radius is 98. 2 eights are 16, carry 1. 2 nines are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. So we got diameter as 196. Okay students, let me solve question number 4 in this format only. So I will be writing question number 4 here first, and what has been given we need to see. Okay, okay, so what has been given? Again circumference is given. Circumference is given as 72.6 centimeters. Circumference has been given. So C is nothing but 72.6 centimeter. Okay, and what we need to find? R we need to find. Diameter we need to find. So we know formula for circumference. What is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r. 2 pi r. C is given as, circumference is given as 72.6. 2 multiplied by the value for pi is 22 by 7. R is not given. You may take 3.14 also. That answer will be correct. Don't worry. So I am taking 22 upon 7 this side. So 72.6 multiplied by 7 upon 2 multiplied by 22 is equals to R. Again we need to cancel the values. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 1 is remaining, 2 6 are 12, decimal point, so we are putting decimal point, 2 threes are 6. Here we are going to get 36.3 multiplied by 7 upon 22. Students, if I will directly take table of 22, it will do, but I am taking now this time table of 11. Table of 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, remaining is 3, 3 is carry forward, this decimal point will be placed, 11 threes are 33, again 2 is remaining, we have to cancel this term by 2, so 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 is carry forward, 13, 2 6 are 12, 1 is remaining, decimal point 0 will be added, 2 5s are 10. Okay students, sorry, I did one mistake, decimal point should not be here, it should be after 1 because we are getting 2 ones are 2, so 1.65. You may do like this also students, don't worry at all. You may divide this term 36 divided by 22 directly. It will do. It will work the same. It will work as same. So you need to just divide the terms and get the answer. So I am getting 1.65 multiplied by 7 is equals to R. So therefore, I am just directly multiplying. 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 3, 45, carry 4, 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 4, 11. And decimal point 1 2 place decimal point. So I am getting radius as 11.55 centimeter. This is our radius. Now, how to find diameter? Diameter is nothing but 2 multiplied by radius. So what we will do? We will keep the value for radius. Radius is nothing but 11.55. So 11 2s are 11 5s are, sorry, not 11 5s are, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3, 2 1s are 2. And 1 2 we are keeping decimal point here, so we are going to get diameter as 23.10 centimeter. Take the screenshot students. Okay students, let's see question number 2. If the circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter, find its radius. Now the given part is circumference, so I will write given circumference means C is given as 176 centimeter. We need to find radius. To find radius, that is R, we need to find how to get it. Solution. Okay students, let's see. So we know the formula for circumference. We know what we know. C is equals to 2 pi R. C is given as 176 is equals to 2. We know the value for pi, that is 22 upon 7 multiplied by R. We don't know R. We are going to find R. We are going to take right hand side term to left hand side. So divide will come into multiply and multiply will come into divide. Okay, 22. We will learn, we will take the table of 22 directly. 22 ones are 22, 22 8s are 76, 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. So therefore the remaining terms, remaining terms 7 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied by 7, that is, therefore radius is equals to 28 centimeter. We got the final answer. Radius as 28 centimeter. Take the screenshot. Okay students, let's see question number 3. The radius of a circular garden is 56 meter. What would it cost to put a 4-round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? We need to find cost of fence. Okay. So what has been given students, we need to write. So question number 3, given is radius that is 56 meter, and rate is given. Rate per meter is 40 rupees per meter. The cost of fence. Two things are given. Okay. How many rounds we need? We need 4 rounds. 4 rounds to protect the garden, circular garden. So to find, we need to write to find. What we need to find? Circumference, that is question mark. Circumference for 1 round. We need 4 rounds, so we will multiply afterwards. And we are writing, so cost, sorry, I need to find cost as well. So cost of fence, that is equals to question mark. So solution. Now we will write, what do we know? We know circumference is equals to 2 pi r. C is equals to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7. R is given as 56. Okay students. So we will cut this. 7 ones are 7. 7 8s are 56. So we will get 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 8 is 176. 22 8s are 176. 2 multiplied by 176. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. Carry 1. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. Carry 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. So 352 meter is the circumference. We are getting circumference as 352 meters. Okay students. So for 1 round 352 meter wire is going to be used for fence the garden. So for fencing garden 352 meter is for 1 round. So 4 rounds to fence the garden. Fence the garden requires 4 multiplied by 352. So what we will get? 4 multiplied by 2. 4 2s are 8. Carries nothing. 4 5s are 20. Carry 2. 4 3s are 12 plus 2. 14 meters. So 1408 meter wire is required to fence the garden 4 times. So now the cost price. Now cost to fence the garden. To fence the garden. And how do we get? How we will get? Rate multiply by wire required. 4 round wire. 4 rounds to fence. I am writing this much only. Rate is 40 and requirement of wire is 1408. We are going to multiply with 4. At last I will put 1 0. Just see to it. 4 8s are 32. Carry 3. 4 zeros are 0 plus 3. 3. 4 4s are 16. Carry 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1. 5. And last this 0 I am putting. So this is the term where we are getting the cost. This is the final cost. Okay students. This is the final cost which we are getting for fencing the garden 4 rounds. Okay. Take the screenshot. Okay students, let's see question number 4. The wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter of 1.4 meter. How many rotations will the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometers? Okay students, so let me tell you the sum. How to do it? Suppose this is the bullock cart wheel. Okay students, this is the bullock cart wheel. If I will cut this wheel from this side and I will straighten this part, then I will get this much distance. Suppose if I will cut this part and I will straight it, I will get this much distance, and the remaining part on the left, if I will straight this part, I will get this much distance. So that means this whole circle will take the distance of this much from this point to this point. So this point is the length of the wheel. That means the perimeter of the wheel. So we need to find circumference. Okay students, I hope you might have understood. Let me solve this. Okay, let's solve. Question number 4. So let the number of rotations the bullock cart wheel takes to complete the distance of 1.1 kilometer bx. So we don't know the rotations, how many rotations the bullock cart is taking to complete a distance of 1.1 kilometer. So what we need to find now, the number of rotations it has taken to complete 1.1 kilometer. Okay, we know. What we know students? We know 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Here the diameter of the bullock cart is given in the question. As you have seen, the question is saying the wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter of 1.4 meter. So 1.4 meter is the diameter. So we know diameter as well. So D is given. D is 1.4 meter. Now, as we know the formula for circumference, we will directly use the formula. C is equals to pi D. This is the another formula which we have discussed before. We can find out D because we have been given D. So I am directly putting the values for pi, that is 22 upon 7 into the value for D. Value for D is nothing but 1.4. Okay. So I will just cancel out this. 7 ones are 7, 7 zeros are 0, 1 is remaining, 1 is carry forward, decimal point, this decimal point is coming up, 7 twos are 14. So what we are getting? We are going to get 22 multiplied by 0.2. 0.2. We need to multiply 2 multiplied by 22. That means 44. The decimal point is at one place. So we will put one place decimal here. So 4.4 meter. In one rotation, a bullock cart is covering 4.4 meter. 4.4 meter in one rotation. Okay. So number of rotations, now we need to find the number of rotations, students. So number of rotations required to complete 1.1 kilometer, that is equals to number of rotations, that is x, multiplied by circumference. Correct na students? Circumference. Now 1.1 kilometer means 1.1 means 1.1 multiplied by 1000, because the terms are given in kilometers. So we are making it as meters. Then only we can get the values. Now see, the value for circumference is nothing but multiplied by 4.4 meter. I am taking all the terms from this to left hand side. So we will get 1.1 multiplied by 1000 upon 4.4 is equals to x. Okay, so here I am taking out this decimal point by multiplying 10 in numerator and 10 in denominator, so that our multiplication should not contain, our division should not contain any decimal points. So I am cancelling it out. Let's see what I will get. 11 multiplied by 1000 upon 44. 10 multiplied by 4.4 is 44 and 10 multiplied by 1.1 is 11. So decimal point is removed. Now 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 44. Now we can take table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, remaining is 2, 4 fives are 20 and last 0 we are going to put. So we will get the value for x. Therefore the value for x is 250. Therefore final answer inverse we will write 250 rotations bullock cart requires to complete 1.1 kilometer distance. Okay students, this question is simple. Take this screenshot.